Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the latest financial calendar from InstaForexx. Let's briefly review the macroeconomic releases slated for the second half of this week. To start with, the Eurostat is going to release a report on the GDP change in the third quarter. The economy of the bloc is seen to expand by 0.2% quarter-on-quarter and shrink by 0.3% in relation to the last year. In the second quarter, the Eurozone economy finally emerged from recession, mainly thanks to such drivers of growth as Germany and France. The Eurozone GDP added 0.3% in the second quarter after losing 0.3% in the period from January to March. Meanwhile, it had been predicted to gain 0.2%. The annual GDP contracted by 0.7%, having shed 1.1% in the previous quarter. Moreover, Statistics Canada will announce the trade balance figure for September. According to analysts, the trade balance may post a deficit again. However, this time it is likely to constitute 1.2 billion Canadian dollars. It is worth reminding you that in August, Canada's trade balance was minus 1.3 billion Canadian dollars, which is 9.7% worse than in July. As compared to the same period of 2012, Canada saw its trade deficit decline by 13.7%. Exports edged up by 6.1% annually and by 1.8% versus the previous month, while imports grew by 5.3% and 2.1% correspondingly. Elsewhere, the October reading of industrial production indicator will be unveiled in the United States. It is expected to increase by some 0.1% on a monthly basis. It should be noted that a month before, the indicator advanced by 0.6%, which exceeded the forecast of 0.5% upswing. On a yearly basis, the industrial output rose by 3.2%. The U.S. manufacturing sector, in its turn, demonstrated growth by 0.1% month-on-month and by 2.6% over the year. The capacity utilization indicator also went up from 77.9% to 78.3%. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by our InstaForexx team. Thank you and goodbye.